Antigravity, Google's agentic AI-powered IDE, connects to Firebase using the Firebase MCP server, Model Context Protocol. This allows the AI agent to manage Firestore, authentication, hosting, storage, and cloud functions directly. Step-by-step guide. Open Antigravity IDE. Launch Antigravity on your computer. Access MCP servers. In the agent panel, usually on the right, click the three dots menu at the top. Select MCP servers. Install Firebase MCP. In the MCP store, search for Firebase. Click Install on the Firebase MCP server. Authorize Firebase. Antigravity will prompt you to log in with your Google account. Select or create the Firebase project you want to connect. Grant the necessary permissions. Test the connection. In the agent chat, type commands like Show my Firestore collections, create a new user in authentication, deploy to Firebase hosting,